want to stuff the snake in on camera. Oh my
I made that mistake before.
Oh, and Rubik's Cube.
Oh, I think we
Please
all
don't
gotta
make me.
take
I
a
don't know
look
how to
at
do
it.
this. I don't know. He
I
doesn't know how
think
to
we
do
all
it. I
gotta
don't know how
take
to
a
do
look at
it.
it. Yeah, because I don't know.
It's your wedding night. Come on.
Pass around to clockwise. Clockwise. We all gotta take a look at this.
I love the casing. Amazing. I love the casing. Where the hell did you get it?
Rubik's Cube.
From a home sense, actually.
Oh, it's lovely though.
Just don't pull anything out.
Inside it, I will not. Don't freak me out.
It's full of demons, Jack. Leave it alone. It's full of demons.
We're gonna solve your Rubik's Cube before the trip.
You do my job, I should tip you.
Everybody's scared.
Potion gun spells.
Uh,
The tangled web we weave when first we practice to deceive.
there you go.
Are you a fire doctor?
No, it's
Okay, okay, ready? This is amazing. I'm so excited.
That means so excited. Blow my mind. Blow my mind.
Who knew you guys would like magic?
Compress and press it off.
I never even got a chance of that. I'm very jealous.
There's a long way and a short way, a long way and a short way. I'm going to show you both. I'm going to show you both. The long way goes like this. You start by making a white cross on the bottom, which looks like that. Okay. And then you get the, you can start pairing and placing all these colored edge pieces with the respective white corner pieces that would look like this. I suppose that would look like, with that move and that move for this corner piece here. So I'm going to show you as I do it. That one looks like that right there. This next one would be just like that. You get the two layers and the yellow on top right. You got the algorithms. This one is
Not even looking. Yeah, boy.
Thank you, Duchess. Okay, but the short way, unfortunately, you have to go through the long way like 1,000 times. Oh my God. Could you imagine? Both of you were, I don't know. No, don't worry, the show's not that long.
Whoa! No way.
Okay, then you can imagine if that's what it looks like when it's all mixed up. What would it look like if it was only like 15 moves away? You'd see like piecing or bricking as we call it. At 5 moves away, it would look a lot closer. If you're only like 1 move away, you just turn. It's very nice. It's called the drop and top. Shane, are you familiar with the drop and top?
At the towel or?
The drop, yeah, no, not the dance.
Oh.
I mean, it's all the rage. You see, there's the drop, that's the pop, it's a song. How?
After what I saw tonight, this man is the real deal. I'm not even kidding. He had me and the owners of this club absolutely floored.